What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Bartender here. Today we're going to be putting on a scope on my new AR-15 made by Radical Firearms. The scope I have here that we're going to be putting on is the Pinty rifle scope. Now, I didn't spend a lot of money on this scope. This was, I think, like a $50 or $60 scope. But for a budget price, I heard that these are actually pretty decent scopes. And I actually put one of their red dot reticles on my... what did I put that on? I put it on my micro conversion for my Glock 23. So today we're going to take a hand at putting this on my AR-15. So it's been a while since you guys have seen my face. I've been gone for a little over a year. I haven't made a video in about close to 18 months, but I've been focusing on my phone repair business. I fix iPad, iPhones on the side, so been trying to grow that and focus on that for a little bit. But I miss making the videos, putting them out for you guys. I hope you guys miss me. Y'all probably didn't. So we're going to come back today and try to put out a video here by tomorrow with this scope. So stay tuned. So here we go. We're back. This is the AR-15. Normally I would have the magazine already put away, but to teach some of the new school people out there about firearm safety, I will show them how to do that with an AR-15. So we're going to go ahead and take out the magazine right here. Put it away. Right there. Then we're going to clear it out. Boom. This firearm is clear. So we're good to work on this. Like I said, today we're going to be putting on the Pinty rifle scope. Open this up real quick, give you an inside look. Yes, I've already opened it. I couldn't wait. I had to see what was in it, but came with what you would think: couple tools, manuals, cover for the scope, etc. This scope's actually going to be really easy to put on. There's really nothing to it. It's more of a screw, so I don't really need any Allen wrenches or anything. But I'll give you all a little look at that right there. Pinty 2.5, 10 times 40. So 2.5 to 10 times zoom by 40. And this one also came with the red dot, as you can see on the wall. So it has that option also. And let's see, what else does it have on here? Oh yeah, it's got the red and green reticle, if you can see in there. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. We got it. And then we got the, could also do it in red if you like. Yep. So pretty cool. Like I said, this is from what I've heard, is a pretty decent budget scope for a beginner, someone that's not looking to spend a whole lot of money. So these are generally pretty easy to put on. This video shouldn't be long at all. I've already unscrewed these, so we start by unscrewing these. Give ourselves some space. Where I like my scope, especially for what this is going to be meant for, is pretty much close range, 100 yards pretty much. We'll fit it on there. I'm going to put it actually right about here. So once we get that there, we'll hold that in place. Now usually they have Allen wrenches to tighten these up, but these are just screw on. So that's about where I want it for the specific purpose that's going to be close range. I want to be able to get a good look on it. So that's actually a perfect spot for me. Now, I can't say this is really how-to. It's more just showing y'all what I got. Because anybody can do this, I think. But you never know. There might be someone out there that didn't know anything about this. But there it is. Looks good. This works. I put it close to where even if I expand the collapsible stock, I can still get a good field of vision on it. So that's pretty much it. Cut that. Boom. So there you guys have it. That was just a quick video just to show you, really just to get a video put out there real quick. Show you guys that I'm back in the mix, back on the scene. Simple video, quick video, just showing y'all. Put it on my new Pinty rifle scope on the Radical Arms AR-15, which is located here in Texas. It's kind of why I went them. Also, there wasn't many choices with the pandemic going on. Beggars can't be choosers, but there's what it looks like. It's all good to go. Not much more to say about it. I will not rack around, but I've got to show you guys what it looks like with the magazine in it. So that's it. So if this is your first time seeing this, any of my videos, guys, subscribe to the channel, Tactical Bartender. Push that like button, push subscribe, and hit that bell notification to receive notifications of when I post videos later on. So if you have been subscribed for this long, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned to see more videos coming up. I'm about to do a beginning of 2021 gun collection. I think that's going to be my next one, which I'm going to start on this weekend. So stay tuned for that. I've got a bunch of new guns that I got. I could have did so many videos in the last year that this happened. But anyways, guys, thank you all very much. Have a good day.